The Contains feature has several uses. One of these is to help find information based on a filter from some other related record. For example, let's say we want to find contacts with open activities. To do this, open the Contact search, click the Filter button, click the small arrow next to the plus sign, and choose the Contains option. When the Relationship Picker opens, click Activities, Relationships, and then Activity Fields, and then click Result. Click the checkbox on the upper right and change the operator to Is Empty. Click the checkmark on the upper right to run the search. Another use for Contains is to find records that are attached to related records and not attached to other related records. For this training, let's use the Contact search to find all contacts connected to user conference invite list codes and not connected to the customer survey list code. First, let's clear the existing filter, or you can close and reopen the Contact search. Next, add a standard filter, setting the value to the user conference list codes attached to the contacts. Next, add a Not Contains filter to the existing filter and choose the customer survey list code as criteria for the Not Contains part of the search. The Contains feature can also be used to add columns to the criteria section that wouldn't otherwise be available there. For example, let's add the company rep to the criteria section of the Contact search. To do this, click Add Fields and open the Contains option from the drop-down next to the plus sign. Expand Companies, and then click Relationships, Company, Relationships beneath that, and then expand the Users area. Click Fields, and then click User. Click the checkmark on the upper right twice to return to the search. This is where you should see the Contact Company Rep dropdown available in the Criteria section on the Contact search. Thank you for watching our CRM 10.4 using the Contains feature video. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.